You see it now?
It's not dark now.
Mataga ka na eh. Did you see the rat? Okay. There's the rat.
Ano ka nang layang tail?
He's eating a rat. A ginger is a rat eater.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe the rat is very tasty.
That's not.
This is the powder, ginger powder. This one.
Why? Why is she so sad?
And this is batik. Batik. Sad kay wa man taga eh.
Ang mommy niya.
Mommy is Mamu. Mamu is there.
Walang ginger na mommy.
Mommy, oh, ano the powder is ginger. Batik. Batik. Ginger. Mukbangers of cat. Mukbanger cat.
Mapangag na siya. Mapangag na siya.
Mapangag?
Kanang yung teeth ba kanang if ma-eat siyang mouse.
Dili man kay ang mouse kuan na kay very smooth. That's black and white oh. Black and white.
Hindi lagi siya.
Black and white.
Black and white.
Hindi mo na mo kuan si black and white.
That's her name because he's black and white.
Yeah, the color is black and white.
And she.
This is ginger because the color is like aloe ginger. Aloe. Ayo. Ayo, miss. Miss? Si ginger, nana po, ang black na po kita kilagaga. Oh, nastaas this atop ba?
Wala ko kita.
Mamikat nila oh, mamikat. Wow, man tingog. Nana, yung lilis sa taas oh.
Nasa cage ang mommy cat or ang baby cat nasa cage? Ang na mamu.
Tiki din nakita niya. Lizard din nakita niya din.
Oh.
Don't eat lizard. Because lizard is a big help. Cat lang, kauna no. Nay. Ginger.
Ginger.
Where's the cat?
Where's the cat?
Mm-hmm.